Well, for Monday afternoon, we certainly had hot conditions here in the Coastal Empire and Low Country, and we did then have some showers and a few storms roll through some neighborhoods, cooling conditions off. There's the view overlooking downtown Savannah. The sunshine is starting to peek back out over downtown. 99 was the high temperature, not record-breaking, but very close. The record for this date is 101 degrees, set back in 1959, but I was certainly feeling a lot hotter with heat index values well into the triple digits. Even right now, still looking at numerous locations well over 100 degrees for those feels like temperatures, especially Darien feeling like 109 right now, and more heat like that is in the forecast over the next few days. For this evening, we still do have a few spots where we do have heat advisories in place until 8 o'clock for the west. Same thing for further to the south of the Altamaha River. As far as Viper radar, we are looking at a mainly dry scan for areas closer to Savannah, but it's down to the south where we do have some heavy rain setting up around McIntosh County. A lot of lightning associated with this as it moves from north to south, so just to the north of Darien. That's why it's still very hot out there right now. We do have some of that heavier rain moving into Long County, mainly dry now where we had some stronger storms setting up across Screven County, but just to our north we do have some severe warned thunderstorms setting up as well. With a lot of lightning out toward Louisville, but it looks like that is going to be building more to the west. High pressure staying in control of the weather pattern over the southeast for the most part, really keeping us under a very hot pattern, and we are going to be looking at well above normal temperatures for the next several days, pretty much for the eastern half of the U.S. Do have a weak boundary moving through from the north right now, bringing us that chance for isolated showers and storms. That will be the case for tomorrow, but it looks like the storm chance will be a little bit lower, and we still have that potential for a lot of hot air in the region. And this spin off of the coast, this area of low pressure actually has a low-end risk of developing into the season's next tropical depression or storm, but that risk at this point is 10% or less. So if anything, some of that moisture might come in our direction and help to enhance our rain chances later on this week. But for us tonight, we start to dry out and clear out, starting off with a clear sky for Tuesday morning. Temperatures still in the 70s and 80s by 4 o'clock. Low temperatures not much lower than that, and they will quickly climb throughout the day tomorrow. Upper 80s to lower 90s already by 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's closer to lunchtime and into the afternoon hours when we will start to see some showers and a few storms begin to develop, mainly for our inland communities. And the winds will be from east to west, so that'll push that activity away from the coast toward the west. So it looks like coastal communities staying mainly dry for tomorrow, and then going into the late evening hours, we will start to clear out once again, with temperatures staying fairly warm. For tonight, a few more evening showers and storms are possible. Temperatures in the middle and upper 70s to lower 80s for those low temperatures. For tomorrow, hot and humid, highs in the 90s for most of us, feeling even hotter. Heat index values will be over 105 degrees, and then a few showers and storms will develop during those afternoon hours. For the boaters, a decent day out there on the waterways. Just keep an eye at the sky for any storms developing. East wind 5 to 15 knots, giving us seas right around 2 to 3 feet. That water temperature warming up into the mid 80s right now. So mainly dry then for Wednesday and Thursday, but staying hot. A few showers and storms start to creep back into the picture for Friday and for Independence Day, but slightly higher storm chances for next week, but staying above normal each and every afternoon in the next 7 days.
Take care of yourself.
Absolutely.
Sure. Yes. Thank you, Scott. We'll be right back.